Hello, welcome guys. Hence, I must say sorry for the today's morning class as because due to some technical faults our class can't be continued today morning. So sorry guys. So welcome back to Home Study. Just continue our channel Home Study and our website www.homestudyag.com. Okay, so guys, today we will discuss about 50 to 100 question answers regarding Rrb Ntpc, and guys, I hope that you will like our questions and you can download from our PDF, okay, our PDF file from our website and YouTube also. So hope we will like our classes, and we also prefer from your side our like and comment. Okay, so guys, let's start our class. Okay, so first is physics. So the first question is, the latest discovered state of matter is, the latest discovered state of matter is, options are solid, Bose-Einstein condensate, plasma and liquid. Guys, I hope you can just look our questions, you can follow. Okay, the options are 4 and the answer will be number 2. This one. So this is the right answer. The option will be B. Okay. And next, the number 2. The unit of work is, A. Joule, B. Newton, C. Watt and D. Dyne. So guys, just have a look. Number 2 question, the unit of work, options are 4 and the answer will be number A. Joule. Okay. Next. Number 3. A man is standing on a boat in still water. That means the water is not moving on a water. Over the boat, a man is standing. Okay. And he walks towards the shore from the boat. That is, the boat is still. Okay. The boat is still in water. But if you walk in the boat towards the shore, the boat will be. The options are move away from the shore, remain stationary, move towards the shore. See, क्या होता है ज़्यादातर, सपोज ये वाटर है तो ये एक बोट है, अब यहां पे एक मैन, बोट स्टिल है वाटर पे और ये शोर, तो मैन अगर बोट के ऊपर से अगर इस तरह से वॉक करते बोट के ऊपर आए शोर की तरह, मतलब द डायरेक्शन विल बी इन फ्रंट टू द शोर, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होता है, साइंटिफिक रीजन के कारण ये बोट जो है ना ये पीछे चला जाता है. So the option is A, the move away from the shore. This one is the option. So number 3 and number 4. What is the unit of light year? Actually, what happened, in earlier classes, I told you that light year is the only measurement of distance of light, okay, which is used in space kilometer. Suppose a rocket from Earth to Mars, Earth to Moon, these are distance which is measured in the what? Options are distance, time, intensity of light and mass. Okay, the answer will be this one, the intensity of light. This is the right answer. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So just guys have a look. Here you can also say the distance of light. Here what is the intensity of light? The option you can also this one. Light year is the unit of distance. Okay. Number 4 and number 5. See, number 5, the state in which molecular attraction are very strong. In previous class, I discussed with you that this is solid, this is liquid, and this is gas. In gas, like this way, and in solid, this is like this way. So, you get to know from this diagram that the state in which molecular attraction are very strong, that is in solid. So, solid, liquid, gas, vapor. So, that will be the right answer, A, solid. Okay. Now 6. Relative humidity is the percentage of relative humidity. Actually, humidity, what happens in vapor, in gas, in summer season, in winter season, what happens? Humidity is the, you may say the vapor or the fog mist, that is the humidity which is present in atmosphere. Okay. So what happened? Relative humidity is the percentage of the, these are the 4 options are there. Absolute humidity, value of the amount of humidity actually present, increase of humidity by absolute humidity, amount of humidity actually present to this absolute humidity, and none of these. So options are 4, but the answer will be number C. Answer C. That is, amount of humidity actually present to the absolute humidity is the total humidity of the, this is the option. Okay. These all answers and questions you can download from our PDF format, PDF file. Okay. Now come to question number 7. Van de Graaff generator. Van de Graaff generators, it was a name of a scientist who first introduced this Graaff generator. Okay. And the options are accelerating charged particles, generating large currents. Option C, and the option here is D. So that is the 7. Van de Graaff generator is used for accelerating charged particle, no. Generating large currents, no. Generating electric field, no. So the answer will be D. Generating high frequency voltage, Van de used this Graaff method. This is the answer. Okay. Now next, 8. During short circuiting, the current flowing in the electrical circuit, what happened? क्या होता है शॉर्ट सर्किट में? हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट में ये भी पढ़े हैं कि MCB होता है, मिनिएचर सर्किट ब्रेकर. सो इस टाइप का कुछ चीज यहाँ पे भी आते हैं कि ड्यूरिंग शॉर्ट सर्किट में क्या होता है? Current flowing in the electrical circuit reduces substantiality, does not change, increase instantaneously, and varies continuously. So the answer will be, in this short circuiting, the current flowing in the electrical circuit will be reduces substantially. क्या होता है? काट हो जाता है तुरंत. इसका और एक एग्जांपल हम दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि माना कि हम लोग का जो हाई वोल्टेज का जो वायर होता है ना, हाई वोल्टेज का जो अपर में जो वायर होता है, उसमें क्या होता है? शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाता है कभी कभार. अभी पहले जमाने में क्या होता है, वो जैसे ही काट हो जाता है ना, उसमें तुरंत करंट फ्लो हो जाता, करंट रहता था. बहुत सारा वहां पे डेंजर हुआ था, बहुत सारा वहां पे प्रॉब्लम ये होता है। नाउअडेज क्या होता है, शॉर्ट सर्किट में रिड्यूसेस सब्सटेंशियली, यहाँ पे कट हो जाता है, मतलब कि रिड्यूस हो जाता है कट। So during short circuiting, the current flowing in the electrical circuit is reduces. Okay, so now here is a diagram. Just have a look. Suppose this is a point, guys. Okay, point O. This is I and this is V, where V is the volt and I is the current. So here what will be the answer? The current I the current is flowing, this is I, that is current flowing and this is the voltage. So a semiconductor, a conductor which obeys Ohm's law, and a superconductor and insulator. So this is done by Ohms, which is also depend on the Ohm's law. So the options will be B, a conductor which obeys Ohm's law. That is, this diagram follows Ohm's law. And guys, also just have a details in Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law, right? So here 9 and number 10. 10. An artificial satellite orbiting and around the earth does not fall down. This is so because the attraction of the earth. Artificial satellite, हम लोग का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट क्या है? हम लोग का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट हम जानते हैं, ये अर्थ, दिस इज अर्थ. सो मून इज अवर नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. मून अगर अर्थ को इस तरह से रोटेट करते हैं, है रिवोल्यूट करते हैं, तो क्या ये फॉल हो जाता है? सेम टू सेम ये अगर नेचुरल सैटेलाइट, कोई भी एक सैटेलाइट आके यहाँ पे अगर रुक जाता है तो क्या होता है? वो फॉल हो जाता है? नो. क्या होता है? आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट, सपोज दिस इज एन आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. Now artificial satellite, what happens? Will also move but does not fall. What is this? Is so because the attraction of the earth? No, the answer is it will be number D, provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. This is the right answer. The option will be this one, provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. Okay, now 11, number 11, the electric current density is, options are a vector quantity, a scalar quantity, C both, and D none. The answer will be यहाँ पे none. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट वहीं पे कुछ नहीं होता है. This one. Okay. Now 12. Sorry guys, it was a mistake. It will be A. be A actually due to problem. Okay, so it will be 12. Now come 13. 13. The surface of a lake is frozen in severe winter, but the water at its bottom is still liquid. What is the reason? क्या होता है? Surface of a lake is frozen. Surface of a lake is frozen. This is a lake in Antarctic or whatever. You will see the surface. This is the surface. It is frozen. You can walk over it, but the water at its bottom is still in liquid. What will be the reason? Here we see lice. It will be ice. Okay, due to some printed mistake, ice is a bad conductor of heat. Since the surface of the lake is at the same temperature as the air, no heat is lost. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, here it is. In chemistry, latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vapor you have learned. Okay, so due to that thing, what happened? The surface of the water of the lake will be frozen, but underground water is liquid. What happens and why the reason is? The reason is due to the density of water is maximum at 4 degree. This is the answer. Okay, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, so here the density of water is maximum. So for this reason, the surface of a lake is frozen in severe winter. The question may come in like this way: in Antarctica, you can walk over the lake due to frozen, but the water inside is liquid. Why? What is the reason? The reason is that the density of water is maximum. Okay, at 4 degrees centigrade. 30. In 30, yes, lumen. Lumen is the unit of nothing. You don't have to. Lumen is actually lumen is a SI unit of luminous flux. So lumen is the unit of luminous flux. Sorry guys. 13. Lumen is the unit of luminous flux. This is the answer. Okay. Candela is the unit of luminous intensity. Candela is the unit. So candela is the unit of luminous intensity. Okay. And 15, in the graph of displacement versus in the graph of displacement versus time. And guys, you are seeing, look, आप लोग अच्छे देख पा रहे हैं ना? Okay, so in the graph of displacement versus time shown below, which is correct? This is a graph. Actually, what happens? 15. This is displacement. This is a x-axis and this is y-axis in graph. This is a graph. So it is x-axis and this is y-axis. So suppose y-axis is the displacement and the x-axis is the time. So what will be the answer? A, the body is at rest. The body has some initial speed. The body moves with constant speed. The body moves with constant velocity. So the answer is here the displacement is the time, but you see that there is no time or displacement has been given. So that means the body hasn't started anything or didn't move. So that means the body is at rest. Simple. But if somehow given that suppose a man or a work is done, suppose in 5 hours and displacement is kilometer, then you have to find out the distance between speed and time. So this is the body is at rest. The temperature of water at the bottom of a lake whose upper surface is frozen to ice would be around. That is the same answer. घुमा के दिया है कि क्या है आंसर इसका? इसका आंसर ये होगा 4C. Okay. With conventional symbols, the lens formula is given. This is a formula of a lens. Okay, these are the formula of lens: concave lens, convection lens, concave, convex. So with conventional symbols, the lens formula is given by, options are 1 by V minus 1 by E is equal to 1 by F. So the answer is A, this one. Okay. 18. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs. This happens due to global warming. Okay, in global warming, what happened? The amount of carbon dioxide didn't goes up, and it makes a layer over the atmosphere, and so the sunlight again then reflected can't be reflected back. So due to this, global warming is occurred. So from that question is coming that increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs. What will be? So how many options are they given? Of laser light passing through air, generated in a stretch wire by heating or plucking the wire, generated in a pipe filled with air by moving the piston attached to the pipe up and down, and D, generated by the mobile phone towers. So it's a easy answer due to mobile tower. This is the right answer. The option D, generated by the mobile phone towers, the layer of carbon dioxide didn't. Say a balloon filled up with gas would only go up in air if it is filled up with what happened? In junior classes, this is a balloon. Okay, this is a balloon. It goes up. If the balloon is filled with air, then only it goes up. Okay, the balloon is filled with air. For due to filling of air, then it will go over. If it does not carry any gas, then it will just. The difference is when the gas inside the balloon goes, it becomes lighter and goes up. But when there is no air, then the weight of the balloon is not equal to the air. That is, the air density is more. So due to that, this falls down. Now here the balloon filled up with gas would only go up in air if it is filled up with number A, a gas whose density is lower than air. गैस का डेंसिटी अगर एयर से लोअर हो तभी ही उड़ पाएंगे, अगर भारी हो जाता है तो गिर जाता है. तो सेम रीजन. ओके, अब नंबर 20. The blackboard seems black because the options are A, B, C, D. Due to mistake, it has been written E, F, G, H. Okay. So the blackboard seems black because reflects every color, does not reflect it. This is happened. Uh, the white color reflects. When there is so many color mixed up with, then it is then it is a mixture of all color, then is white. When there is no color, then that is black. So that is the blackboard seems black because the option B does not reflect any color. As it does not reflect, suppose this is a blackboard. Suppose this is a blackboard. If I point anything, then you can't see. That means does not reflect any color. So the option will be B. The blackboard seems black because it does not reflect any color. Option will be B. Okay. A magnifying glass comprises a simple convex lens, convex mirror, concave lens, concave mirror. So in 21 question, a magnifying glass means a glass. You can see in our childhood that is a thick glass which reflects, and we हम लोग इसको दिखा के कोई पत्ता या कोई पेपर उसको आग लगा देते हैं, तो वो जो मैग्नीफाइंग होता है ना वो थोड़ा मोटा होता है, तो वो क्या है, कौन सा ग्लास रहता है उसमें. मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास कंप्राइजेज अ सिंपल convex lens. Convex lens. 21 and then 22. Sound waves are similar to the waves. Options are of lesser light passing through air, generated in a stretched wire by heating or plucking the wire, generated in a pipe filled with air by moving the piston at us. 22 options are this one, I hope so. Yes. 22. Just hold a second, guys. Just 1 minute. Already done. Mobile towers. Okay. 23. Just have a look, guys. I'm just. The weight of a human body is poles. So the weight of a human body is same at every places on the earth surface, maximum at the poles, maximum at the equator, more at the mountains and the plains. The answer will be the weight of a human body is maximum at the poles. Okay. 24. Which one among the following waves that's used to detect the obstacles in their flying path? Infrared waves, electromagnetic waves, ultrasonic waves and radio waves. That is 24. Which one of the following waves that used to detect obstacles in their flying path? That is ultrasonic waves. This can only by the bats can identify these waves very clearly. Okay, so which one of the among the following waves that used to detect the obstacles in their flying path? Flying path means here you may say a bat. Bat when used to catch the prey, what happened? Due to the ultrasonic waves, it goes to the it fly prey की तरफ वो जाते हैं, right? जैसे कि उसका सामने कुछ आ जाता है वो वहीं पे धक्का खा के वापस आ जाता है, तो कौन कैसे ला, क्योंकि अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स को ही वो धक्का डिटेक्ट करके उसमें क्या होता है उसको वो बाधा क्रिएट करते हैं. So which one of the following waves decreases? That is C, ultrasonic waves. A fuse is used in an electric circuit to break fuse. Break the circuit when excessive current flows through the circuit. Break the circuit when power gets off. Okay, here the options are 25. Options are given 2 over here. Okay, the fuse is used in an electric circuit, but that is option A. It will be as because it is used as the miniature circuit breaker. Why? Because the fuse is in electric circuit. Fuse given so that if the excessive current comes, it will just fuse off and the whole circuit of the room or whole circuit of the path will be the same. But the fuse will be closed. That is too much average circuit, average current is given. If excessive current क्या वहाँ पे क्या होता है, ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो हो जाता है वहाँ पे, तो वो फ्यूज वहीं पे तुरंत ब्रेक हो जाता है. So 25 and the next from 20, after 25 classes, after 25 to another, we will discuss on the next classes. Okay guys? Okay. So once again I must say sorry due to some technical fault, morning class has not been happened. So just a little bit answer and question has been discussed with you. Just go to our homepage and download the PDF format. Also just watch our channel. Okay, day by day it is improving and it will also improving to your